Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us some side hustles that will blow your mind. I will be teaching us how to create coloring books with coloringbooks.ai. This is a paid ad, is a promotional ad. So, as you know, coloring books are the most efficient way to make money online, and they are easy to make. Okay? So, if this connotes to what you want to learn, why not take your popcorn and a bottle of wine or juice, or take your cup of tea and stay tuned as you watch this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main tutorials for today. Cheers. So, tech lovers, I bring to us coloringbook.ai, and this coloringbook.ai has a lot of features that I love, and it will easily it will easily gives you access to it so that you can start making money creating coloring books for your children, for your kids, and you can sell it to homeschoolers. You can sell it, you can generate sales from it, post it on after creating the coloring books, you can upload it to um Amazon KDP, okay, or put it on your website and start making sales, okay. So now this coloring book AI is, you can start for free, but it has the paid version. As you can see, it says upgrade plan, which we're going to be looking into it very soon. So the features that are available here is free coloring books, coloring book generator, book coloring book generator, coloring page generator, online coloring books, and we look at the gallery. Okay, so you can actually turn your kids' photo into a coloring book. You upload your picture, then it will convert it to a black and white so that you can color. To be creative, you can upload your pet portrait, family photo portraits, and your favorite thing. Like you can see, this is an example. Uploaded this ice cream and converted it into this black and white coloring book. Okay, then you can also convert text into coloring books with the power of AI coloring pages generator. You can now convert any text into coloring pictures, as you can see. So you can generate any of these, and you can create it. After you generate it, you download it, and you can design with Canva. Or yeah, Canva is the best for you to use, or any other tools that you can use your to design your work. Okay, so AI multi-page coloring book generator. So as you can see, this is the tortoise and the rays. So you can actually use this to generate pictures for your storyline or your storybooks for kids. Generate an up to 20 pages AI coloring book in one click. Okay, you can generate 20 pages at once just to create your story character. This is nice. I can use this to generate my story character for kids, and you upload on Amazon KDP to start making money. Let me know if you want a video on how to upload your book on Amazon KDP. Let me know in the comment section. As you can see, this is so lovely. This is so lovely. Frequently asked questions. These are frequently asked questions I can read later. But let's see if there's time. I will see if I can generate like up to 20 pages AI coloring book. I love this. I'll tell ChatGPT to give me some prompts, and let's see if it's going to generate for us. Okay. Um. So now let's get started. We have free coloring pages. We have coloring pages for kids, coloring pages for teens, and coloring pages for adults. So we can start with coloring pages for kids. So I'm going to choose Paw Patrol. Yeah. So this is it. So it says I should enter a prompt. I don't have, I'm not going to upload any image. So I already created my prompt here with ChatGPT. So I'm going to come here, create a coloring book features. Let's see. Copy. Then I come back to this place. I enter my prompts, paste, and it's going to generate for us. If you want default, you put in default, but I think I want it in square. Yeah, so generate for free. Let's see what it's going to generate. So it brought us here. You have to complete it. Do you want different level? These are difficult levels, okay? Do you want the coloring page to be for toddlers, for children, for teenagers, and for adults? So I'm going to be putting between 5 and 10 years old, okay? And square, you can also batch create multiple at once. You can batch create. And now, yeah, there's some features there here that are paid, okay? So I'll be showing us the upgrade plan very soon. So as you can see, it says generate now. So it's going to give us some time to generate. It takes within a few seconds to 1 minute to generate. So while it's generating, let me show you the upgrade plan. So you for starter, you get create up to 100 coloring pages per month. Protect your privacy. Okay, this is all you get as a starter, and it's $6.99 per month. This is $13.99 per month. You get to upscale your photo and coloring pages, easy access to new features. Then professional is $27.99, and if you're doing it for business, is $69.99, and you get all the commercial rights, you get all the support you need. You can even batch create and all that. So for a starter, I would just say you should start with this $6.99. Then as you progress, you can always upgrade later. So let's check out our work. So as you can see, this is what it created for us. Today is second, so this is our design that it created. Let's see. Can you see? So I can I can either remix online coloring, as this is the prompt we gave, right? So you can remix, you can click online coloring, or if you are good with this, right? So you can just download it as PNG. If then you start creating your design with Canva. Okay. So now let me download. I will download this, but let's see what this online coloring means. Oh, okay. So if you want to use the online coloring, you can actually color like this, and you can color it like this using the online coloring page. Okay, this is nice. So I'm going to go back. So I generated this storyline. Our title is Paw Patrol and the Great Park Rescue. Okay, so I'm going to copy this storyline, and I will put it on our free coloring AI story so that you can create a storyline for us. So this is another one, like it created like two designs for us. This is double page, and this is a single one, as you can see. So you choose the one you want and you download with PDF, or if you just want to download it that you download the PNG, sorry. And if you want to download as PDF, you can download as PDF. Well, you can always upload it on Canva to arrange your coloring books. So now let's go and create like a storyline. So before I create the storyline, okay, the kid storybook, as you can see, you can also create like Christian coloring books, as you can see. And this is Jesus. They have like 47 pages, okay. So you can generate this. You can get some of these pictures together and upload on Amazon KDP so that you can arrange your coloring books, and you create a cover page for it. As you can see, there are different topics. Jesus surrounded by loving children. Okay, so different topics on this. So it's not only about animals or unicorn or kids. You can do this. You can also get some Bible coloring books here for your kids. Okay, and you can also convert it to you download it as PNG, upload on Canva, and you start making your money. Okay, so now let's go to the next stage. So this is coloring book generator. You can generate this. I don't have a picture for it, so I'm not going to upload it. So I'm going to enter my storyline. Okay, and unfortunately this is we are just entitled to 5 pages or 10 pages. So now let me go to ChatGPT, then I will change our prompt to like 5 pages. Okay, so now our new topic is now um so our new topic is now Paw Patrol and the Lost Baby Bunny. Okay, so I'll copy this and I will upload it to create our storyline for kids. So I can add Inspire Me. Okay, but I think I'll prefer my, let's see what is going to happen because I was given some free free coins or free access to do this video. So let's see if it's going to generate. Um, yeah, let's put it as this, then we generate. Let's see what it's going to give us. Unfortunately, it's telling me to upgrade. I think because it's empty. Our credit is almost finished, minus 4 credits. So hopefully I'm going to make another video on this, okay? So we've exhausted our credits, okay? So, in conclusion, let's see what else I have to show you again. You can turn your image into coloring pages. Like I added my pictures there. Can you see my picture? And it converted my picture into this. Okay, so I can now download or print it out and start coloring. Okay, and coloring helps the kids intellectual behavior. Okay, so coloring is good for kids. So without any further ado, I hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and my link is going to be in the description if you're interested in using coloringbooks.ai. I will still do a further and elaborate video. So stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and subscribe.